We are here in Punta Isla Resort in Lake Cebu, South Cotabato. So, Punta Isla Resort, known for its tilapia. Kaya ito yung kanya symbol. Maraming pumunta dito because of the delicious various na mga tilapia delicacies. So this is the one of the oldest, more established resort here in Lake Cebu. So this is 2 hours and 30 minutes drive from Jansan. These are yung mga cottages nila. Tingnan natin here. So Lake Cebu is a crater lake. This one, yeah. Oh, ganda pala ang view here, Yung mga boating nila here. Ang ganda, It's almost sunset, past 5 PM. Yun pala yung mga boat trips nila. Okay, these are mga cottages. Matagal na kami hindi nakabalik dito. More developed here than before. Tingnan natin. Akit tayo. Ayan yung araw. It's sunset here. And then if you're here in Lake Cebu, because of the elevated area, parang mountain top, you have a lot of mga giant bamboos, different bamboo varieties. Saan ba sila kanina? I think here. Venue din siya ng mga a lot of seminars, mga conventions, celebrations. Ito yung lobby nila.